Kamusta naman ang lahat? Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi, at kahit saan pa man tayo sa buong mundo. For today's episode, pupunta tayo sa isang event na kung saan ginawa ng company na pinagkatrabuhan namin to celebrate our wins sa mga operations namin. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at sana don't forget to hit that click button to subscribe, comment, and share and like sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood and hope you enjoy. Say hi! Gagawa tayo ng video.
Araw-araw.
You want me to cut some parts? Baka nakabukas.
Like ano?
Hinga.
Ito pa yung ulo ni King.
I know how to edit. Oh, just kidding. Tito, can you teach me how to edit too? Oh, we're finally out.
Pakita mo yun.
Now, why do I need the hat?
Para pag umulan naman, hindi na tayo.
Hindi bang zoom yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Kapit-bahay pala namin.
Bakit? Bawal to doon. Bawal. Saka maglalaro niya.
Is Mick gonna be there?
I'm not. No.
Aww. Yeah. Which way? Is Mick here? Kuya. Whoa, they didn't even notice that. I'm making a video.
Are you?
Yes, first video. Going to the kids.
vlogger na?
Yeah.
Oh?
This is my first video.
Who's that? You.
Ah.
Sa'yo nakatapat din. Oh! Sa'yo na.
First video.
Nakita ko sa kanya yung cellphone ko kung gano'ng kaliit yung phone. Kita niya sa sulong. Sabi ni Kawin, sorry ha.
Tita Danielle, the cameraman. Si ate. So I'm gonna drive like this and beep beep and and I don't know. One ball, one hand.
Be, masasabi mo, Be?
Okay, ikaw na po.
Goods naman. Goods naman. Masasabi mo?
Hello guys.
Ay, pinakamaganda yan. Oh.
Ay, kanin.
Ay, Karen.
Kulang. Hindi po.
Gutom na sila, gutom na.
Kanabahan. Hindi na ba yung promo namin?
Magpatawa ka, magpatawa ka.
Hello po. We're from Philippines. Like, oh my God.
This is my vlog. This is my vlog, guys. What can you say?
Oh, this is so amazing, and thank you for the opportunity, Rope. I know that we have 5 million sales, and I don't want to compare, but I will compare. Ha!
Magandang gabi.
Guess what? That butter.
My vlog.
That's Edmund. He's shy. Say hi to my vlog. Way back then. Hey, hey. Huh? Oo. Say hi, say hi.
Hi vlog.
I'm a vlogger here. Mitch, say hi.
No. Akala ko naka-video siya. Yeah.
Hello.
Say hi, Kuya. Kuya Luke. Hi, Kuya Luke.
Ikaw lang, sige.
How do you charge?
Uy, pila na lang daw kayo. Wait lang. Actually, po na lang daw kayo doon. Pila kayo. You can just grab your drinks. Sarap yan, be.
Nakakasukula lang ako. Nabidwan lang ako. Grabe, parang isang araw ako hindi kumain.
Hoy, walang alak ha. Walang alak yan.
This is my first video ever. And I don't know what.
Uy, kanina ba tumawa naman kayo? Hindi na
Kanina ba ako ng order?
Ipapultang ka na nga eh.